Today we're going to cook escabeche. Fish are marinated with salt and pepper. And then we are going to fry them, mga sis. Ayan na po, pinafry na natin. After that, ready to make our sauce. Onion and ginger and garlic. We're going to saute for 1 minute. And then after that, we can add our carrots. And then we can add our oyster sauce, rice vinegar, and tomato ketchup. Ayan. And after that, we can add the green pepper and pineapple juice and the fruits. Add more vinegar and the oyster sauce. And after that, our slurry water. And then we can add our fish. Mga sis, parang konti ang ating sauce. So, lagyan pa natin kasi yung asawa ko gusto niya maraming sauce. Bali, ang dinagdag ko po ng sauce ay yung sweet and sour, at saka oyster sauce, at saka konting tubig. Tikman po natin. Ang sarap po mga sis. Ayan na po, luto na mga sis. Promise, masarap po.